Hello and welcome to the My Disney Experience tutorial by Enchanted Escapes Travel. Glad you could join us today. If you have not yet used our services, I encourage you to reach out on your next Disney vacation. Let us see if we can help you out and get you to the most magical place on earth. And so today we are going to go on and talk about My Disney Experience and park reservations. So as we discussed in our first tutorial, you must have your reservation already linked into your account, okay? Once again, our lifeline right here, once you get into your My Disney Experience account, is right here on the tab to the right side of the cart. Once you get in, go on and let's get over here to My Plans, and it's gonna go on and bring up everything that's in my account. Now our park reservations need to be made. Okay, so we've already got our resort hotel in, we've got the park tickets. We know how to look through the park availability to see what reservations are still available. So now it's time to make park reservations. So what we're going to do is we're going to go right over here to the park reservations tab, and we're going to go on and make park reservations. Go on and click that. When you go on and click that, you're going to be able to select everybody in your group that is traveling. Okay. So those that are listed right here, these are everybody that is in my family and friends list. So that means at some point in the past, I have either traveled with them or have linked to them for one reason or another, whether it be fast passes, memory maker, dining. All right. So everybody that I've ever linked to, and linked up with is going to be right here in this view. Okay, so I do have park tickets for November, so I'm going to go on and just say it's just me that's traveling. I'm the only one that needs park tickets. But if I come down here and say my mom has already got her ticket, I would go on and select her. However, I have not gotten her tickets just yet, so let me go on and unselect. And here we go. So I am going to go on and select park reservations for myself. So I click myself, make sure I'm the one that is selected. Now it's going to bring me to the calendar. So in the calendar, I'm going to scroll over because I'm going in November. And I am going to choose, let's see here. Let's say I want to go on and make one for, I will be coming in on the 19th. So let's just say on the 21st, we want to make a park reservation. I'm going to go on and click park reservation for that and 21st. And now I'm going to get to select a park. Okay, so if I would like to go to Hollywood Studios, I would click Hollywood Studios. And because I already have a park ticket, this is what I see. So if you ever see this on any of the dates selected, that there's an issue with this guest, that means you already have selected a park pass for a different day, and it tells you right there. Okay. So if I wanted to remove from party, I could go on and remove that, select somebody else, or I need to go back in and cancel my park reservation. So say I want to cancel my park reservation. Okay, so I go back, and now I'm going to have to go back one more time to get to my main page. Almost. All right. So now I need to get back over here to my Disney Experience, to my plans, because I need my plans to show me where I'm going on my vacation. What park reservations do I have while I'm there in November? Okay, so on November 20th, I have the park pass for Epcot. Okay, I don't want Epcot. If I want to change that, I would say view details. And then it's going to show me the hours, which hours are not available right now because we're too far out. Valid on November 20th. And it is showing me and what I need to expect when I arrive. Okay. Now, if I want to cancel this reservation, all I need to do is hit cancel and go on and submit that I acknowledge that I'm canceling that reservation. And then one more day on my ticket will be available. But since I don't want to do that because I don't want to lose my place, I'm going to go on and just hit the back button. Okay. So once you get your reservations in the system and you want to cancel, okay, you're going to have to scroll all the way down or wherever your park is that you want to cancel, and you would have to click on view details, and then you will just select cancel this reservation, and going in, you would hit acknowledge and you would submit that, and then within seconds you are out of that that park, and that reservation opens up and you're free to choose a different reservation. Okay, so that is how you cancel, and that is how you book park reservations. Okay, one more time. You're in your main lifeline. Okay, you come down, you see everything that's there. You want to make sure you've got your park reservations. If you need to make a new one, you just do make a park reservation. So if you just got in after you have linked your reservation, you now have tickets. Now it's time to get those reservations. The sooner you get those reservations, the better. Secure your spot in a park, because they're not guaranteed that that park will be available in the weeks or months to come. As we know, with the anniversary coming up on October 1st. October 1st for the Magic Kingdom has been sold out now for going on 2.5 months. So it's important that as we get closer to the holiday season, Christmas, Thanksgiving, New Year's, make sure that you are getting in on these park reservations as soon as possible. Get those reservations in on your account, so then you do not have to worry if you will be one of the lucky ones that gets a reservation for that day. Okay, so the sooner the better. All right, so this is how you get your park reservations. We know how to link. We've got our park reservations, and then I will go through on our next video and show you about Disney dining. So once again, this is Stacy from Enchanted Escapes Travel. If you ever have any travel needs, whether it be Disney, Universal, all-inclusive cruises, we've got the vacation for you, and we've got advisors that specialize in each one of those. So give us a call, send us an email, let us help you out. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please contact 713-962-4708 or direct email to Stacy, S-T-A-C-E-Y, at enchanted-escapes.com. Thanks for joining us, and we'll be back with Disney dining in our next tutorial. Have a great weekend.